Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing page number 29, do these problems. Okay children, the first question in the do this is, list the elements of the following sets. The first question, z is equal to all the factors of 20. Oh, already we discussed in the last class, I think. Now we are going to discuss second Roman, that one also we completed. Third Roman, A is set of all factors of 12, which of the following is not a member of A? Third Roman we didn't complete it. So one time see the third Roman. First Roman, second Roman already completed in the last class. A is the set of factors of 12. Which of the following is not a member of A? A is set of factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Here in the options, A is 1, B is 4, C is 5, D is 12. So here 5 is not member of set A. So the correct answer is C is the correct answer. That is not the member of A. That is not the element of A, set A. Now go through try this question. Write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. Write some sets of your choice involving algebraic and geometrical ideas. So some sets we need to write. A is equal x such that x belongs to n, x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0. This is one set. This is the algebraic idea. So when we solve this equation, x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0, we get the two elements. One is belongs to z, I think this is correct answer. X such that x belongs to z, x square minus x plus 6 equal to 0. One time just listen. X square plus x belongs to z, x square minus x plus 6 minus 6 is correct. When we solve this equation, we get two elements. One is plus 3, the other one is minus 2. Both are belong to set of integers. One time solve this one separately, you get the answer, that is 3 comma minus 2. That is the answer. So geometrical ideas. Y such that y belongs to set of triangles containing at least two angles are equal. Angles are equal. This is geometrical idea. What type of triangle containing at least two angles are equal? So 40, 40, 100 degrees. Two sides, at least two angles are equal. 40, 40, 100. 70, 70, 40. These like we have to say so many types of triangles. Next, equilateral triangles will come, isosceles triangles will come. These like we can write the answers. At least two angles, the answer is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 120 degrees. This is one triangle containing the angles. Two angles are equal, third angle is 120. Another way, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Here all the three angles are equal. That means at least two angles are equal. Next, 50 degrees, 50 degrees, 80 degrees. This is a triangle containing the angles. So these are also satisfy the above condition. So these like way we have to represent your ideas. Next, differently also you can write like that. Now, the second Roman in the try this is match the roster form with the set builder form. Match the roster form with the set builder form. If you will write this one, it takes some more time. That's why I have to say you. The first one is in the left hand side, PRINCAL. Second one is set containing elements 0. Third one is set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Fourth one is 3 comma minus 3. In the right hand side, x such that x is a positive integer is a divisor of 18. B, x such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. C, x such that x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. D, x such that x is a letter in the word principal. So, when we see the left hand side one and right hand side one, look at this one properly. When we see the left hand side one and right hand side one, we have to match that ones. So, PRINCAL, so which is related to the D option. X is the letter in the word principal. Principal, any letter will come 2 times, we will write only 1 time. Principal, the letters are P, R, I, N, C, P again coming, I second time coming for us, no need to write. P also second time coming, no need to write. A, L. So that first one is matched with D. Second one is set containing element 0. So this is related to the answer C. X is an integer, x plus 1 equal to 1. So which element is added to this one? X plus 1 equal to 1. Which element satisfying the condition? We already discussed it in the previous class. Already in 9th and 8th classes. 0 is the element. This is 0 is the additive identity. 0 plus 1, 1. So second one is set containing element 0 is related to option C. So match to the C. Third one, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. So the third one is matched to the option A, right hand side A. These are all the divisors of 18. Fourth one, 3 minus 3. So x square minus 9 equal to 0. So the fourth one is related to option B. This is the correct answer. So try to match that ones. And afterwards we are going to discuss exercise 2.1, children. Very easiest one. We have to do this ones. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Which of the months related to started with the letter J? January, June, July. These are the months related to the started with the letter J. The second one is, so is it a set or not? Clearly, definitely it is a set. The collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Yes. Is it a set or collection? The most 10 talented writers in India. I think my writers are some members are there. You can write some members, you like 10 members you will write. But what you think your best writers, what I think the best writers are not correlated to one another, because నీకు నచ్చింది అయితే నువ్వు రాస్తావు, నాకు నచ్చింది నేను రాస్తాను 10 మంది రైటర్స్ని. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు కొరిలేటెడ్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నీకు నచ్చిన 10 మంది రైటర్స్ నువ్వు రాస్తావు, నాకు నచ్చిన 10 మంది రైటర్స్ నేను రాస్తాను. కాబట్టి అవి రెండు కొరిలేట్ కావడానికి అవకాశం లేదు. కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ సెట్. క్లియర్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ కలెక్షన్. ఏ టీమ్ ఆఫ్ 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So I think 11 members team in the world. You can select another 11 members or some collision also, no problem. So here I selected 11 members. When you selected 11 members, both are not correlated. there sometimes it should be correlate, difference will be obtained, so that it is also not a set. మీరు నిర్ణయించిన 11 మంది క్రికెటర్స్, నేను నిర్ణయించిన 11 మంది క్రికెటర్స్ ఈక్వల్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం ఎక్కడా లేదండి. కాబట్టి అది క్లియర్గా సెట్ కాదు. Goes through the fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class, is it a set or not? Definitely it should be a set, because our class contain 19, 17 to 16 members are boys. So it clearly we write the names of the students. So it clearly it is a set. The collection of all even integers. All even integers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, like that. Clearly it is even integers, everywhere you write same answer. That's why the fifth one is a set. First one set, second one, third one are not sets, fourth one, fifth one are sets in the first Roman. And goes through the second Roman. Very interesting question. A is equal to, all of you check your textbooks in front of you, just all of you watch the textbook and hear my voice. So listen students, one time check your textbooks. A is equal to 0246, A is equal 0246, B is equal 357, and C is equal PQR. PQR, these are the elements of the sets. So here, now what we have to say? Then fill the appropriate symbols, belongs or does not belongs in the sets. If belongs, does not belongs, these are the elements, symbols we have to use to fill the answers. 0-A, first question. 0-A, that means is 0 a member of the set, element of set A or not? We have to check. Is definitely clearly 0 is the member of set A, so that 0 belongs to A. The second question is 3-C. Is the element 3 is member in the set C? Here there is no element 3 in the set C, so clearly 3 does not belongs to C. In the same manner, you have to fill the second Roman problems. 0 is member of the set A, clearly 0 is member here, so 0 belongs to A. Here 3 is not the element of set C, so that 3 does not belongs to C. Like that is the remaining 4 problems, you have to complete it and write in the classwork. So goes through the third Roman. Express the following statements using the symbols. Here they are given in verbal form, we have to write in symbolic form. The elements X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. First, third Roman, first question. X does not belongs to set A. This is the symbolic form of the verbal one. D is an element of the set B. D is an element of set B, so D belongs to set B. Same like that, you have to do the 3-4 problems in the third Roman. Fourth Roman, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers. 5 is a prime number or not? Clearly 5 is a prime number. But here does not belongs to set of prime numbers, like that as given. So given one is clearly false. S is equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. In the set S, 8 is not the member, so 8 does not belongs to S is the correct answer, but they gave 8 belongs to S. So given one is false. Next, third question, -5 does not belongs to W, where W is the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers we get only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Here -5 does not belongs to W, so given one is true. 8/11 belongs to Z. 8 by 11 is, it is in the form of p by q. So it belongs to set of rational numbers, but given one is set of integers given. So given one is false. This is that the 4 Romans you have read clearly, and goes through the 5th Roman. 5th Roman is same as yesterday class. In the last class we discussed the roster form, set builder form, like that we discussed. You have to practice the 5th Roman. If you write wrong, tomorrow class we have to correct that notes. Okay children, tomorrow I will say the 5th Roman, 6th Roman, 7th Roman and 8th Roman. Okay children, today 5th Roman you have to practice properly. If it is wrong, no problem, you have to write. Tomorrow I will say the answers. Okay children, bye.